Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a Google Ads account step by step in 2025. So in this video we are going to cover it like setting up your account, choosing the right campaign goals, then avoiding beginner mistakes. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, we need to go to the Google Ads. So how we can do it? We can open a browser and go to ads.google.com. Here you can see this one, ads.google.com. Just click over here. Let's click open in a new tab, and here you can see this is the drive sales with Google Ads. So here once you visit that place, here is an option called start now. Just click over here, start now, then sign in with your Google account. So here create your first campaign. Let's click on got it, and then you can see create your first campaign in a few simple add business information, create your ad, set your budget. Once you're done there, they are asking for tell us about your business. What is your business? If you don't have one, you will need to create one first. You are now ready to set up your first ad on your Google Ads account. So here you need to give your business name. My business name will be and next we have the website. Like you can use your website here. You need to input your website URL. So I'm going to give a website URL. Then I will click on next. Once I've done it, then I will redirect enter valid website URL. So I need to add https slash. Now let's go on to the next step. Okay, this may be not working, so I'm going to copy a Shopify, then click on login, and eventually I have the link over here. I'm going to use this dummy link for my Google Ads. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it here. Let's click on next, and now you can see it is really good to go, and we have the options called choose your goal for this campaign. So you need to choose a smart mode or a expert mode. By default Google Ads start in a smart mode, but if you're beginner, smart mode is okay, but I recommend switching to expert mode for full control. So you need to scroll down on the campaign setup screen and click to switch on smart mode. So here we have the options, so you can change it or you can switch account. So it's totally up to you. So this is lets you skip creating a campaign right away and give you more options. So let's click over here and click here next, or you will get the option from the setting. So it's totally up to you if you want to change it. I don't want to change it, so I will leave it this way. Then next our step will be you can skip campaign setup. So here you can skip it by clicking this button, but I don't want to skip. I will choose a goal from that place, that will be purchase. Here we have couple of options that you can see. Let's click on see more. Here you can see this one is submit lead from, then phone call leads, page views, brand awareness for your website. Then for app permission you have app download option, then leads like contact, book appointments, then request quotes, and then for the sales we have add to cart, being checkout, purchase, subscription. So here you can choose one of them. It's totally up to you what you want to set your goal for your website. So let's click on skip right now. Let's click on, then let's see what they will give us. There you can see we have these options. Choose a campaign type, suggest for you. They are suggesting us to click on the search, it is recommended, or you can choose other campaign types from that place. So here you can see reach viewers on YouTube and get conversation, and once I select here, and also we have further more options. Here you can see these couple of options are like display, app, and demand gen. So let's go and know about these features. So reach customer across 3 million sites and apps with engine or engaging creative, or if you click on app, it means they get more install, engagement, and pre-registration for your apps. So here I'm going to click on display, then here I will click on next. Once I click over here, then they will redirect me to the next page where you can see they are asking for campaign setting like location, where I want to run this ad. Is it in USA or is it in Bangladesh? So it's totally up to. I'm going to change the location, and I will make sure that my location will be United States. And here I will click on include. Once I click over here, now you can see you can add further more country over here. Let's go and add United Kingdom also. So let's click on continue, and now you can see our two location has been added here. Next I will click on this next button, and here they are asking for budget. So here you need to be add a budget for your ad campaign. It will be like $10, $20, $1,000, whatever you want. So whether if you want to add a little cost on your budget, then you can do it like $5, or you can add $20. Is totally up to you. So I'm going to give the $5. Then I will click on bidding option, and here you can see what do you want to focus on. High quality traffic, or you can, it is recommended, or you can see the conversation rate, other optimization option like viewable impression. So I am going to choose this high quality traffic. Then I am going to click on automatically maximize your traffic. So now I have done over that place, and I will click on next. Once I click over here, now you can see optimize targeting to setup. Let's add targeting. This is the main segment in this panel. So here you can see you can tell them that you kind of searching for this kind of audience who travel internationally recently. So here you can see this is the option add targeting demographic. Then you can select this keywords. Next you have options for topics. Then you have the options called placement. So I will discuss one by one. So what is edit target segment? Like suggest who would you see your ads. You can create new segment audience manager like social media enthusiasts, like international so there is a no like browse. Let's go and browse, and here you can see who they are. Detail parent status, they will be maybe parents. Like you can see parents are, these are parents of infants, parents of toddlers. Like you are running an ads who is related to parents, then you can choose this one of them. Then you can choose the marital status, if they were single or not, in a relationship or married. You can select the education, like you are looking for an educated person who will watch or see your ads, they can choose it. Like you can add your options over here. Let's go. I want to run ad for college student and high school graduate, bachelor degree, and also advanced degree. Done. Let's click on done. And now if you click on edit, and if you come over here, and you can see that detailed demographic has been added. So now it suggests people based on age. Like I don't want to watch this ad for 18 to 24, and parental status will be not parent. Unknown is not necessary for me. Again I will uncheck unknown for my all the necessary. Household income, top 10%, 11 to 20, yeah, this one. Okay, let's click on done. And I am going to add some keyword. Keyword means you search some word with some word like artificial intelligence. This is a keyword, so you can use this one in your keyword panel. And then you can click on done. And as you can see, we have some other options called pet animal, like suggest web page and videos on certain topics. So you can choose one of them. You need to explore it one by one to find out your desired topic over that place. Once you've done your all work, you can choose your placement, where you want to place your ad. Like you can place it in website, you can place it in the YouTube videos, you can place it into the app categories also. It's totally up to you. I'm going to click on done, then click on next. And now eventually you can see our main panel. It's called ad creation. I can say that it will be ad creative options. Here you can see this is the final URL. This is our website URL. If you see this, then you will find out this is our website URL. Then here they are asking for business name. I'm going to add a business name, that will be this. Then I'm going to add some images, couple of images over here. You can generate it. Then you can add logos of your website, videos. Then you can add headline, long headline. This is the necessary things you need to be add to make your ad more incredible or engaging. Then once you're done, just click on next. Once you click over here, it will be redirect you to the here, and they will review it and give you the error if you had. If not, then they will redirect you to the payment details. Once you're done, then you need to give your payment details, and once you did it, then they will give you the access to run the ad. Like, I hope you understand how easy the process was. So you need to explore the dashboard to know further more about the tools and setting. Then you need to set up billing info for before running ad, like before you can run ads, add a payment method. It's really easy. Let me give you some bonus tips in this video. That will be, always use two-step verification for security reason, and don't rush. Test a small campaign first. Don't make it the much bigger ad firstly. Use test, then go on to the final result. And always track everything using Google Analytics or conversation tag. This way you can understand how your ads performing on this panel. So thanks for watching this Google Ads account setup tutorial for 2025. If you found out it is helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. What type of ad are you planning to run first? Search, YouTube, or display. See you in the next tutorial.